Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of linear equations. Uh, this is a slightly complicated question. Previously we have solved two different kinds of linear equations, word problems in linear equations. One was pertaining to digits and reversing of digits. The second was pertaining to fractions. This kind of questions pertains to ages. Now remember, in ages your answer should never be negative because age cannot be negative. Let's start solving this one. These are complicated and irritating questions, but not very difficult. If you put your mind to it, these solutions should come by very easily to you. Okay, and let's start solving this one. The question says A and B are friends and their ages differ by 2 years. Okay, so let's say A's age is A and A minus B is equal to 2 because their ages differ by 2 years. So I get equation 1. The second is A's father D is twice as old as A. So A's father D is equal to twice as old as A. This is equation 2. B is twice as old as his sister C. B is twice as old as his sister C. This is equation 3. And the age of D and C differ by 40 years. Okay. Now, since D is the father of A and A and B's age are closer, I'm assuming that D is the older one here. Okay, so it says the age of D and C differ by 40 years. So D minus of C is equal to 40. So this is my equation 4. I have to solve for the ages of A and B. So let's start solving this one from equation 4 onwards. Okay, so it says D minus C is equal to 40. If I have to, because I have to solve for A and B, I'll try to bring everything in terms of A and B. Now what is C here? C can be written as B by 2 from this equation, equation 3. So I will write D as 2 of A from this equation, equation 2. So D becomes 2A minus C is B by 2, which is equal to 40. Okay, and this becomes my equation 5. I now actually have to solve equation 1 and equation 5, equation 1 and equation 5 to get the final answer of this question. Now, if 2a minus b by 2 is 40 in equation 5, what I get here is I multiply everything by 2. So I get 4a minus of b is equal to 80, and 4a minus 80 is b. And now I substitute this value in equation, put in 1, put this value in 1. So I have a minus of b is equal to 2. So I keep a as a, and minus of 4a minus of 80 is equal to 2, and this becomes minus 3a plus 80 is equal to 2, and this becomes 3a is equal to 80 minus 2, that is 78, and a becomes equal to 26. So if a is equal to 26, I know a minus b is 2, so b will be equal to 24. Okay, and see, the question is not asking us to find c and d, but we can very easily find c and d as well. Now c is b by 2, so c is equal to b by 2, and b by 2 will be equal to 24 by 2, that is 12 years, and d is 40 years older to c, so 40 plus c is 52. We've actually found all the 4 ages. Okay, so the final answer, a is equal to 26 and b is equal to 24, and this, my dear friends, is the solution to the question. I hope you found the solution helpful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve any other questions, shoot your questions at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.